Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm showing you a jungkook sketch. I didn't have done any portrait for such a long time of BTS, and you know that nowadays Jungkook doing lives a lot, and from his live I got this picture, so I thought let's do it. And some armies are also drawing him from his life, so I thought let's do it. It's really pretty cool, and I was really scared to do it because I didn't do portrait for such a long time. I was busy with my other drawings, though I like to do portrait, but still it was hard for me to have some spare time to do portrait. Today I got that time, and then I'm doing Jungkook. I'm drawing Jungkook, and it was really enjoyable. I was scared that it's not gonna look that good because I didn't practice it. So but at the end of this video you will see the actual result, that how it's really looking like, and I'm really satisfied with it. Here I'm gonna use with tones. Like, I'm really liking the tones. Using tones is it gives the kind of realistic type of vibes, so I'm really liking it. It was really hard for me at the beginning to know how to draw, I mean how to practice the tone. It took me a lot of time to do the practice of tone, but now I'm doing well with it. I really like it, and I'm also liking the drawing a lot. But the last video, the last live of Jungkook, where he talked about his that some armies ended up in like outside of his gym, he was quite surprised. It made us armies little bit um, sad that he was doing his own job. Like, he was at the gym, he was doing his work hours, and it was not an official schedule. So but some armies were there, so it was really surprise thing for him, and it's good that he talked about it. But the sad thing is he needed to talk about it. We armies are really well known for our behaviors, for our protectivity. The way we protect them. But it's a really sad thing that he had to talk about it. Guys, you have to understand that every person needs their own time. They have their privacy, and it's not good that in many, like, you just can't interfere in someone's private life. Like, he was doing his job, it was not an official schedule, so he doesn't expect you there. Of course, we really have to be careful, and I'm really feeling sad for him, that, like, if you put yourself on his position, then you will understand how it will feel like. Just suppose you're doing your thing and suddenly you are seeing someone unexpected. So I hope we will take care of it from the next time. I really don't want them to get bothered because of us. We love them, but there is a boundary that we should not cross. We love them, we support them, but we should give them the enough space that they need, and that which will make them feel comfortable. I always thought about it that if I ever, you know, if I ever see BTS in front of my eyes silently, like it will never happen. But still, but if it happens in this way, then I will never disturb them, and I will walk out from there as soon as it's possible, because he is doing his job, he is there roaming around, and I'm also there roaming around. So I should not disturb him, and I should just walk out from there. And I think we should always do such things. Armies already have done this kind of scenarios before, because of course they love to travel, they love to go here and there, which is pretty much normal. So it happens quite often that armies are running out, like they're just meeting with them accidentally, they're seeing them accidentally, actually coincidentally. But some armies also have shown their intelligence and smartness by not disturbing them. They just walked out from there, which is pretty cool. We really love them a lot, and sometimes when we see them, our brain doesn't stop, they just stop working. But we have to get ourselves and try to make her understand that they're also human, they're here for their own work, and we should not disturb them. And let's just do our job and walk out from there. In fan signs, you can meet them, definitely you can talk with them. That's the official site. That is the official place to have a conversation, have meeting, handshakes with fans. Those are normal. But someone is shopping or doing gym at that those times are really not good time to just say that hi. Okay, if any army is if any army is listening to me right now, I'm sure that you are also agree with me about this. Let's respect their privacy, because it's really important. And we are all intelligent people, right? We are pretty intelligent, pretty much understanding about them. We know each other for such a long time. So let's be good, and let's respect each other. Hmm. And my video is already almost finished. I'm quite happy with my sketch, and the good thing is I am happy that it's not looking that bad. This is the best thing about my video, I mean about my drawing today. I'm literally happy that it didn't turn out that bad. I'm so happy, so happy for it. And try a lot to draw. If you are drawing, practice a lot, because only practice can help you. Nothing can help you in this world except doing practice. So do a lot of practice, and trust me, you will improve someday. Art is all, it's all about just practice and understanding about it. So let's continue our practice more, and in future I'm gonna upload more videos. Of course, BTS portrait. In we have Sugar's birthday next, so I am planning something for him. I'm gonna do a watercolor portrait of him, so I hope you're gonna look forward to it. We are almost end of our video, like of my video is done. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.